Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create custom overlay with sticker in CapCut PC. So first, select the black screen and select sticker and change for the original aspect ratio. Alright, you can select sticker you like to add as an overlay. So for example, just add and add more. So after done, we're just going to select the clips, right click and create component clip. So select your video or photo you like to edit. For example, this image. So you can put the custom overlay on top and just for duration in the same way. Select the overlay and you can select mode overlay. Select overlay and just for the opacity, so you can see for the final result. Alright, or you can change for the mode of plane screen. Yeah, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.